In 2024, the tech industry continued its rapid evolution, driven by emerging technologies, shifting market dynamics, and evolving business needs. As employers sought to navigate this dynamic landscape, certain tech skills emerged as particularly valuable. This comprehensive guide explores the top tech skills sought by employers in 2024, delving into each skill's significance, applications, and the broader trends shaping the industry. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. The tech industry has always been characterized by innovation, with new technologies continually reshaping the business landscape. In 2024, this trend persisted, with advancements in areas such as artificial intelligence, AI, cybersecurity, and data science driving digital transformation across industries. Employers, recognizing the importance of staying ahead in this rapidly evolving environment, placed a premium on talent equipped with the right technical skills. This analysis aims to identify and explore the top tech skills that employers were seeking in 2024, shedding light on their significance, applications, and the broader trends shaping the tech industry. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning, or ML, continued to dominate the tech landscape in 2024. AI-powered applications were deployed across various industries, driving efficiency, personalization, and automation. Skills in AI and ML were in high demand, with employers seeking professionals capable of developing intelligent algorithms, leveraging data for insights, and deploying AI-driven solutions. Natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, and reinforcement learning were among the subfields garnering significant attention. Moreover, ethical considerations surrounding AI deployment gained prominence, highlighting the importance of understanding the societal implications of AI technologies. 2. Cybersecurity. In an increasingly digitized world, cybersecurity emerged as a critical priority for businesses in 2024. With cyber threats growing in frequency and sophistication, organizations sought skilled professionals capable of safeguarding their digital assets. Cybersecurity skills encompassed a range of domains, including threat detection, prevention, incident response, and risk management. Employers valued individuals proficient in security tools, protocols, and methodologies, as well as those capable of implementing robust security measures across complex IT infrastructures. Additionally, there was a growing emphasis on proactive security measures, such as threat hunting and penetration testing, to preemptively identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities. 3. Data science and analytics. Data remained at the heart of decision-making processes for businesses in 2024, driving the demand for data science and analytics skills. Professionals adept at extracting actionable insights from large datasets were highly sought after. Data science skills encompassed a diverse set of capabilities, including statistical analysis, machine learning, data visualization, and predictive modeling. Employers valued individuals capable of not only analyzing data but also communicating findings effectively to stakeholders. Moreover, as data privacy regulations evolved, there was an increased focus on ethical data practices and compliance with regulatory frameworks such as GDPR and CCPA. 4. Cloud computing. The migration to cloud infrastructure continued to accelerate in 2024, fueled by the scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency offered by cloud platforms. Employers sought talent well-versed in cloud computing technologies, including Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Skills in cloud architecture, deployment, management, and optimization were in high demand. Moreover, as multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments became more prevalent, expertise in orchestrating workloads across multiple cloud providers gained significance. Additionally, there was growing interest in serverless computing and containerization technologies like Docker and Kubernetes for deploying cloud-native applications. 5. Internet of Things or IoT. The Internet of Things or IoT continued to proliferate across industries, generating vast amounts of data from interconnected devices. Employers sought professionals capable of developing and managing IoT solutions, from sensor deployment to data analytics. IoT skills encompassed hardware and software expertise, including sensor technologies, embedded systems programming, and IoT platforms. Moreover, there was an increased emphasis on IoT security, as the growing number of connected devices expanded the attack surface for cyber threats. Skills in securing IoT devices, data encryption, and implementing access controls were essential for mitigating security risks in IoT deployments. 6. Blockchain. Blockchain technology remained a disruptive force in 2024, with applications spanning finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and beyond. Employers sought talent proficient in blockchain development, smart contract programming, and decentralized applications, dApps. Skills in blockchain platforms such as Ethereum, Hyperledger, and Corda were particularly valuable. Moreover, as blockchain adoption grew, there was a need for professionals capable of integrating blockchain solutions with existing infrastructure and ensuring interoperability with legacy systems. Additionally, expertise in cryptocurrency and digital asset management gained prominence as blockchain-based financial services expanded. 7. DevOps. DevOps practices continued to gain traction in 2024, as organizations sought to accelerate software delivery and improve collaboration between development and operations teams. DevOps skills encompassed a combination of software development, IT operations, and automation expertise. Proficiency in DevOps tools such as Jenkins, Ansible, Terraform, and Git was highly valued. Moreover, there was a growing focus on DevSecOps, integrating security practices into the DevOps pipeline to ensure the continuous delivery of secure and resilient software. Additionally, skills in infrastructure as code, IAC, and continuous integration and continuous deployment or CI/CD pipelines were essential for streamlining development workflows. 8. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technologies continued to transform industries, from gaming and entertainment to education and training. Employers sought professionals capable of developing immersive experiences and applications using AR and VR technologies. Skills in 3D modeling, computer graphics, and spatial computing were in high demand. Moreover, there was growing interest in extended reality, XR, which combines AR, VR, and mixed reality, MR, technologies to create hybrid experiences. Additionally, as AR and VR applications expanded into enterprise settings, there was a need for professionals capable of designing and deploying solutions for training, simulation, and remote collaboration. 9. Quantum computing. While still in the early stages of development, quantum computing garnered significant attention in 2024 for its potential to revolutionize computing paradigms. Employers sought talent with expertise in quantum algorithms, quantum programming languages, and quantum cryptography. Skills in quantum simulation, optimization, and error correction were particularly valuable. Moreover, there was growing interest in quantum machine learning, leveraging quantum computing capabilities to enhance ML algorithms and tackle complex optimization problems. Additionally, as quantum computing hardware continued to evolve, there was a need for professionals capable of designing and implementing quantum circuits and algorithms on emerging quantum platforms. 10. Programming languages. Proficiency in programming languages remained fundamental for tech professionals in 2024, with certain languages dominating the industry landscape. Python continued to be the go-to language for data science, machine learning, and web development, owing to its simplicity and versatility. Java remained popular for enterprise software development, particularly in large-scale applications. JavaScript remained essential for front-end web development, with frameworks like React and Angular gaining prominence. Moreover, languages such as C++ and C# retained their relevance in domains like game development, system programming, and desktop applications. Additionally, there was growing interest in emerging languages such as Rust and Julia for their performance and suitability for specific use cases. 11. UI/UX design. User experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design played a crucial role in shaping digital products and services in 2024. Employers sought professionals capable of designing intuitive and visually appealing user interfaces, while also prioritizing usability and accessibility. UX/UI design skills encompassed a range of disciplines, including user research, wireframing, prototyping, and usability testing. Moreover, there was growing interest in inclusive design practices, ensuring that digital experiences were accessible to users of all abilities. Additionally, as voice interfaces and conversational UIs gained traction, there was a need for UX/UI designers capable of designing seamless multimodal experiences across different devices and platforms. 12. Mobile development. Mobile devices remained ubiquitous in 2024, driving the demand for mobile app development skills. Employers sought professionals capable of building responsive and feature-rich applications for iOS and Android platforms. Skills in native app development using languages like Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android were highly valued. Moreover, there was growing interest in cross-platform development frameworks such as React Native and Flutter, which allowed for building apps that ran on multiple platforms with a single code base. Additionally, skills in mobile UI/UX design, performance optimization, and mobile app security were essential for delivering high-quality mobile experiences. 13. Robotic process automation. Robotic process automation, RPA, continued to transform business operations in 2024, automating repetitive tasks and freeing up human resources for more strategic activities. Employers sought professionals capable of designing, implementing, and managing RPA solutions across various domains. RPA skills encompassed process analysis, workflow automation, script development, and bot deployment. Moreover, there was growing interest in intelligent automation, combining RPA with AI technologies such as natural language processing and machine learning to automate complex decision-making processes. Additionally, skills in process mining and automation governance were essential for ensuring the effectiveness and compliance of RPA implementations. 14. Edge computing. Edge computing emerged as a key trend in 2024, enabling real-time processing and analysis of data at the network edge. Employers sought professionals capable of designing and deploying edge computing solutions for latency-sensitive applications. Edge computing skills encompassed edge device management, edge analytics, and edge security. Moreover, there was growing interest in edge AI, leveraging machine learning models deployed at the network edge to enable intelligent decision-making in distributed environments. Additionally, skills in edge data synchronization and hybrid cloud edge architectures were essential for orchestrating workloads across distributed computing environments. 15. Soft skills. In addition to technical expertise, employers placed a premium on soft skills in 2024, recognizing their importance in driving collaboration, innovation, and organizational success. Soft skills such as communication, problem-solving, teamwork, adaptability, and creativity were highly valued across tech roles. Effective communication skills were essential for conveying complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders and fostering cross-functional collaboration. Problem-solving skills were crucial for navigating challenges and finding creative solutions in dynamic environments. Moreover, adaptability and resilience were essential for embracing change and learning new technologies quickly in a rapidly evolving industry. Additionally, creativity and critical thinking were valued for driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. Conclusion. In conclusion, the tech industry in 2024 was characterized by rapid innovation, driven by emerging technologies, shifting market dynamics, and evolving business needs. Employers sought talent equipped with a diverse set of technical skills to navigate this dynamic landscape and drive digital transformation. From artificial intelligence and cybersecurity to cloud computing and blockchain, the top tech skills in demand reflected the industry's ongoing evolution and the growing importance of digital capabilities across sectors. Moreover, alongside technical expertise, soft skills played a crucial role in driving collaboration, innovation, and organizational success. As the tech industry continues to evolve, staying abreast of emerging technologies and honing both technical and soft skills will be essential for tech professionals looking to thrive in this dynamic environment. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.